Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. So hi again, and now let's move to this settings bar and tap to the second from the left button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick this settings button so we can open here the advanced camera settings, and in the third position we have now mirrored selfie. So by using button from the right we can easily turn off the camera mirror effect or turn it on, like that, as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.